So working at PPPL, to me, it's being part of something bigger than myself. At the end of my career, when we see that fusion is a viable energy source, I like to think that I was part of making that happen. I lead the analysis group. So what we do is we test the parts before we build the actual hardware against the environment that they'll be seen in the machine. This way, we guarantee that the component will work before we build it and before we install it. I like solving problems with my team, right? I like getting in front of the whiteboard, sketching out ideas, what works, what doesn't work, get everybody's input, and really, solving a problem, and then seeing that become hardware, right? And actually work the way we thought it would work the way we planned for it to work. There's a lot of satisfaction from seeing something actually physically that you built when it just started as maybe just an idea. I spent 6 years at the ITER international project in France as part of the team responsible for assembling the sectors, and now I've been at PPPL for the last 4 years working on ITER diagnostics. As an engineer, we think of what are we going to build next, and so I'm really looking forward to seeing how the public-private partnerships with the lab come about. We have collaborators from all over the world. Different cultures have, looking at things from different directions, and I think this sort of global view of things this is how we solve the big difficult problems.